Hi, I'm Roy Finley.
And I'm Dana Finley. We're the owners of AAA Heating and Air.
Do you need help replacing your old HVAC system and don't know where to look? South Carolina's crazy weather is hard on your system. If your unit is living on borrowed time, then replace it now with AAA's best deal of the year.
AAA Heating and Air will give you an instant rebate of $1,500 plus 0% financing with no money down and a 15 years of parts and labor warranty.
This offer is for a limited time. Get 15 years of worry-free operation and $1,500 with 0% financing with no money down for qualified buyers.
Don't wait any longer and call AAA now at 803-795-1500.
This way you will enjoy the comfort you deserve and the healthiest air thanks to the best deal ever.
Again, that's a $1,500 rebate, 0% financing, no money down. Call AAA today at 803-795-1500.
And if you call today, we'll install your new unit tomorrow. Remember, the number is 803-795-1500.